water to boil and put it up on high, and then you're going to go ahead and put the corn in. Just a quick tip, this is completely optional, but if you want a more flavorful corn, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. It really does make a difference. I just forgot to, so I didn't do it here. Go ahead and cover up your corn and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so if you have a grill skewer, go ahead and get that ready. Pop that in there as far as you can get it into the corn. I will say that if you don't have this, it's perfectly fine. I'm just fancy, so I'm going to use it for the purpose of this video. And it is easier when you're rolling on the mayonnaise and everything else onto there. Now we're going to take the melted butter and butter this bad boy up, and you're going to make sure that it is nicely coated all the way around in butter. This will be very helpful when you're putting on the cheese and everything else so it sticks. And again, who's going to complain if you use some extra butter? All done buttering up the corn. Next you're going to take the mayonnaise. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. This is going to be the easier way and the lazy way. So you're just going to put the mayonnaise on there and you're going to spread it all the way around. This is going to be the second method that I prefer, and it makes it taste a whole lot better. I put mayonnaise in a bowl. Then I'm going to take the sliced lime and I'm going to squeeze it in the mayonnaise, mix it up, and I'm going to add that on top of the corn instead of just the mayonnaise. It adds a whole bunch of flavor and it really soaks into the corn when you're taking the brush and just putting it on there. Okay, so we soaked it in butter, we put mayonnaise all up on it. Now we're going to get the cheese and we're going to coat it so we do not see any yellow. If you're doing it wrong, that means that there was not enough butter, and then as soon as you lift that corn up, all that cheese is going to come off. So if you soaked it in butter, good job. That cheese is going to stay on there, and again, who's going to complain about a lot of butter, mayonnaise, and cheese? Now we're going to add some tahini. If you do not have this, you can buy it at any grocery store, or the alternative that I used the last time I made elote was some red chili powder, and it tasted just as good. So again, use what you have, work with what you have, but for that authentic, really good flavor, you're going to want to have some tahini on hand. Next, we're going to grab some lime, cut that up and we're going to squeeze that on top. This is my preference and something that I like to add on top. Not everyone does this, but it tastes so good. So if you didn't put it in the mayonnaise, you can put it on top. I do both because when I soak it in the mayonnaise, it soaks right in. And there is our elote. Oh wait, you guys thought we were finished? Just not yet. We're going to add the leftover melted butter and drip it all over the corn. Again, you don't have to, but again, who's gonna complain about more butter? And if you were worried about carbs, you wouldn't even be looking at this video, so go ahead and enjoy yourself. And again, the extra butter on top is so good. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe and let me know in the comment below what you'd like to see next.